Hello everyone, welcome back. New reaction for Shaman on Radio Shanson. Sanson. Shanson. He will perform here White Wind. I already know that I will enjoy it. This is on the channel Huliganka. You have the link in the description. And I repeat, as always, support Huliganka and support also the other channels that have videos of Shaman. Yaroslav Love, Good Deeds, Shaman Me, Tolkotak, all the channels that have videos of Shaman, please support them, because without them we wouldn't have this type of videos. Now let's enjoy White Wind.
В программе «Живая струна» с Ксенией Стриж. Поэтому с удовольствием представляю слушателям радио Шансон эту песню «Белый ветер».
Поехали!
Я пришел ниоткуда и шел в никуда. Столько разных дорог, а моя лишь одна. Я хотел в этой жизни любовь отыскать, чтобы мог я, как ветер, без крыльев летать.
I said it when I first heard it, it's a super hit, as always, because Shaman always gives to the fans exactly the type of music that they want to hear from him. Good music with a good message, with great vocals, with a beautiful instrumental, and of course, emotion.
Настанет тот миг, небо скажет пора. Ждут тебя высоко твои братья ветра. И когда полечу в бесконечную даль, я скажу лишь два слова: прости и прощай.
If you look at the lyrics, you can think also that this is about him and Mizulina, right? And I think that Shaman always needs a woman in his life to be his muse. Let's continue.
Где же ты, моя любовь? Белый ветер,
You know that after you listen a song from Shaman, your first thought will be what will be next. I heard that he will release a new song on the National Unity Day. When he has time to do this, I don't know, but probably because he has a good muse, Bizulina, maybe he's very inspired. My friends, always do your best to support the channels that have videos of Shaman. Me as a reactor, I wouldn't have what to react to if those channels wouldn't exist. That's why. Watch on all the channels the videos that they upload of Shaman. You watch 2 free videos now, after 2 hours, 2 free videos from other channel, and so on. Support them. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish everyone to be well, to be safe, and to be free. Goodbye, my friends.
This is recorded separately from the reactions because I will use this on multiple videos. Guys, I need your support. As I said on a previous video, I have also other channels and I want those channels to grow. One is about outdoors, survival, blah blah blah, in Romanian, and the other one is my son's car collection, toy car collection, and why I want those channels to grow. And I will tell after that very fast what I need from you. I want them to grow as subscribers and some views because this way I can do collaborations with different companies that would sponsor my channels. And I will say very fast. I send emails and some companies replied and they said, "Hey, we will collaborate when you have a bigger number of subscribers and of views." That's why I need your help. And in the description, you have links to both channels. You will have for some video from each channel. And what I need from you is to go on that channel, subscribe, press the like, and comment something. Hello, I subscribe. You don't have to write, I don't know what. This is what I need from you. And of course, that the persons who will do that, I will appreciate it a lot. Thank you very much. I will let you now to enjoy the reaction, and I hope that you will support me on those channels.